Saddlery and shoemaking is anything that works in leather, handcrafted.
I want to go into saddle fitting and I want to get the knowledge of making the saddles before going out and fitting. Making something by hand feels really good, seeing it come from just a hide of leather to the finished product. Saddle fitter, bridle fitter, saddle making industries. There's a lot of opportunities out there.
Saddle makers, bridle makers, harness makers, get all your qualifications and set up as your own.
Students graduate as rural saddlers or they're working at Royal Opera House